everyone. So today's video is just going to be a quick outdoor Halloween style video that I thought I'd get out for you guys to hopefully motivate you guys. I know that for me personally, I have been struggling to get outside and get it all cleaned and decorated. We've been having some really crazy weather here lately. So hopefully you're able to find some sort of motivation to get something done outdoors as well. And if you do enjoy today's video, please remember to like and subscribe for more. So basically what I always like to do anytime I'm transitioning or just decorating, I always like to give my pieces a quick coat of spray paint. Now this particular pumpkin here was a clearance find and it was a turquoise color, and I'm just trying to spray paint it to fit in with my decor. Last year I did not really get around to it, and the point is to get it to match this little wall door hanger that I DIY'd myself, and this is the focal point here for my outdoor space. It has all those colors that I'm hoping to accomplish out here. For this year though, it's just really simple and basic for the time being. As the seasons end, I always try to keep my eye out for clearance pumpkins because eventually I would love to have a pumpkin patch sort of look out here with just an overflow of pumpkins. But until then, I am trying to find some joy in the items that I already have, and that is why I like to give everything a fresh coat of paint, because items that sit outside, especially in my area, see a lot of harsh weather, and so they tend to get dull and faded. But by giving them a quick coat of spray paint, I'm able to create a fresh new look without having to purchase everything brand new. And also, I didn't mention it earlier, but I did also pressure wash everything and cut my plants down, because during this upcoming weather they will die and they look really terrible when they do. So by cutting it and cleaning everything up, it also creates a clean space. And I am also going to be honest, I did struggle with these two little side step areas, so you will see me shifting and shifting again items around. But if you stick through to the end, you'll see how I finally got everything done. And I really think it looks great. And the fact that I spent only, I think it was $5 out here, plus the cans of spray paint, I think it's a great bargain, and it does look very fall and festive. So for my doorway, I wanted to create something that was warm and inviting, and to accomplish that, I'm going to be adding some pumpkins, of course, some lanterns, and then I also have this DIY easel that I created from a Halloween easel that I purchased on clearance, of course. So a tip for you guys is, even if you don't celebrate Halloween, I always like to check out the Halloween aisles to see if I can find any substantial pieces at that clearance price, and then I'll just DIY it and create something that does fit my decor style or the season that I like to celebrate. And so on this other side, I'm just going to kind of mimic what I did before, add some lanterns and some pumpkins. And then to finish it off, I'm going to add another DIY sign that, of course, if you haven't guessed it, was a clearance sign from Halloween that used to say Happy Halloween, and all I did was spray paint it, find a design that I liked online, and then just painted that over the top. So my one new purchase for this outdoor area was this printed rug that I picked up from Pop Shelf. When I did purchase it, everything was 40% off, so I believe I paid just under $5 for it. But if you're interested in any fall decor, definitely check them out because everything is now 50% off. Again, I do hope you guys find some sort of motivation to create something beautiful for your own families and homes. If you did enjoy today's video, please remember to like and subscribe for more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.